If you're over 60 and your middle feels a bit stubborn, you're not imagining it. There's a deeper kind of belly fat that sits around your organs, not just under the skin, and it can nudge your energy, sleep, and blood sugar in the wrong direction. Today, we'll gently turn that around with small, doable steps that fit real life. Visceral fat is the hidden, firmer fat that wraps organs like the liver and pancreas. Subcutaneous fat is the soft, pinchable kind under the skin. Visceral fat matters more for health, but the hopeful truth is it often responds faster when you send the right signals, gently and consistently. Here are 2 simple self-checks you can do at home. First, measure your waist at the belly button while standing tall. For many women, more than 35 inches, 88 centimeters, and for many men, more than 40 inches, 102 centimeters, suggests a higher visceral fat load. Second, divide your waist by your height for a waist-to-height ratio. If it's above 0.50, that's your cue to start easy habits. Before we dive in, a warm favor. Please subscribe so you don't miss our calm, senior-friendly health videos. One simple tap helps this community grow, and it tells the platform to show more seniors the tools that truly fit life after 60. Nothing extreme here. No crash diets, no boot camps. We'll stack 5 gentle habits that work together. Protein pacing, time window eating, soluble fiber with prebiotics, tiny cool cues for metabolism, and a short breathing routine to turn stress down. Small steps, steady rhythm. Protein pacing means giving your muscles a clear signal at each meal. Aim for about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal, not just a big dinner. Think of it like ringing a doorbell 3 times a day, so your body keeps answering with strength and a steadier metabolism. Let mornings do some lifting. Eggs with Greek yogurt or a quick whey or plant protein smoothie gets you to that 25 to 30 gram target easily. At lunch and dinner, reach for a palm size of fish, chicken, tofu or tempeh, or lentils or beans with whole grains. The common mistake is toast or cereal for breakfast, a light lunch, and a giant protein dinner. Spread it out instead. Time window eating helps your body handle food more smoothly. Choose a comfortable 10 to 12 hour daytime window, many like 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and let evenings be quiet for the digestive system. Finish dinner at least 3 hours before bed. Outside your window, stick to water, tea, or black coffee if it agrees with you. Start where you are. If 12 hours already feels normal, hold that for a week, then shorten the window by 30 minutes if it's easy. No prizes for speed. Steady beats extreme. If this is helpful so far, please subscribe. It's free, quick, and it helps these gentle strategies reach more seniors who want results without overwhelm. Soluble fiber and prebiotics are quiet heroes for your waist and energy. Soluble fiber forms a gentle gel that smooths blood sugar swings, and prebiotic foods feed friendly gut bacteria that support a calmer waistline over time. Go slow and sip water. Comfort matters more than speed. Easy ways to start. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed to breakfast. Store it in the fridge. Enjoy oats or barley a few times per week, and include beans or lentil soup at dinner. If you like, sprinkle in chia or a small amount of psyllium. For prebiotics, think garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and cooked then pulled potatoes or rice. Tiny cool cues can gently wake up the body's heat-making systems. No ice baths needed. Sit in a slightly cool room, around 19 degrees Celsius or 66 Fahrenheit, for 30 to 90 minutes while reading or watching TV. End a warm shower with 20 to 30 seconds of cooler water. Aim for refreshing, not shivering. Little nudges repeated often are enough. Stress tends to push fat toward the middle, so a daily breath practice helps. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Feel the belly move. Hold for 7. Exhale softly through the mouth for 8. Try 6 to 10 minutes in the morning and again mid-afternoon. If that's long, start with a shorter pattern and build up. Here's a gentle 7-day ramp that respects real life. Days 1 and 2, set a 12-hour eating window, hit 25 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast, and breathe for 5 to 6 minutes twice daily. Days 3 and 4, add a spoon of ground flax and a 20 to 30-second cool shower finish. Days 5 and 6, add beans or lentil soup and sit in a cool room for 30 to 60 minutes. Day 7, review sleep, energy, and waist comfort. Prep a simple protein and fiber plan for next week. A quick comparison you can feel. If your belly feels round and firm and you can't pinch much, that points more to visceral fat. If it's soft and easy to pinch, that's mostly subcutaneous. Many of us carry a mix of both. These habits are safe and helpful either way. Movement multiplies results and doesn't need to be fancy. A 10-minute walk after your main meal helps with blood sugar and sleep. Add 2 short strength sessions per week, seated or standing, bands or light weights. Simple moves like sit-to-stands, wall push-ups, and band rows keep muscles talking to your metabolism. A small medical note in plain talk. You don't need a scan to start, but if you want certainty, a DEXA with an abdominal readout or an ultrasound can estimate visceral fat. If you're on diabetes or blood pressure medications, let your clinician know you're making changes. As your numbers improve, timing or doses may need a review. Watch-outs that save frustration. Don't jump fiber too fast. Don't leave all your protein for dinner. Try not to eat late, and avoid all-or-nothing thinking. A little most days beats perfect then nothing every time. Slow and steady truly works. If you're finding this calm approach useful, please subscribe so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Your support tells the algorithm to show this to more seniors who prefer gentle, safe, and realistic advice. Give yourself credit as you go. Maybe the scale doesn't move right away, but your sleep eases, your rings fit better in the morning, or your afternoon energy holds longer. These are real wins. They show your body is listening and shifting, even if it's quiet about it. A few comfort tips that make habits stick. Keep protein options ready. Boiled eggs, cooked chicken, or a tub of Greek yogurt. Keep fiber simple. Oat packets, canned beans, or a small bag of ground flaxseed. Place a tape measure and a little notepad where you'll see them once a week to track gentle progress. Let's keep the stress low. If you miss a day, just come back the next one. Bodies over 60 respond beautifully to kindness, routine, and patience. You're building signals your body understands: steady protein, calm breathing, gentle timing, and supportive foods. What is one habit you'll start today? Protein at breakfast, a 10-minute post-meal walk, or 6 minutes of belly-led breathing? Tell us your age and where you're watching from in the comments. I read them, reply when I can, and I'm cheering for you because you're not behind. You're just getting started.